Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is what is it? It is biblical love or modern love. Now, I'm hoping to teach you something that you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and any other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. That's very important. So let's look at the topic, biblical love or modern love. One must understand that the biblical definition of love is not the same as the modern definition. Our modern definition is more about an emotion, how one feels about another person, how they benefit our life, the tingly feeling, the excitement. But the biblical definition is more intellectual. It's the decision to highly value someone with their best interest in mind. Now, even the teaching of love your neighbor as yourself, as explained in the parable of the Good Samaritan, doesn't teach people to go out into the world searching for people who need help, although that's a good thing, but that's a different calling. This parable speaks of living one's life as one does, and if you come upon someone in need, help them as you are able, even going out of your way to do so, if necessary, rendering the kind of aid you might wish for in their situation. Don't let your flesh distort this. Don't succumb to a false Mother Teresa syndrome. Some are called to search for and help those in need, and that's a wonderful thing. But not all are so called. And the difference between the emotional feelings of excitement when you're attracted to somebody, you find them appealing, and you're attracted to them, those feelings are not love. Those feelings are real, they're true, they're genuine, but that's not love. Love is when you make a commitment to someone that you are going to function in their life in their best interest, regardless of what it costs you. That's real love. In fact, the scripture says, greater love has no man seen than this, that a man would lay down his life for his friends. That's not warm and fuzzy. That's not a tingling, attractive sensation. That's a decision to do what is in the best interest of the other person. Now, those are my comments on the teaching of biblical love versus modern love. If you have comments, questions, or prayer requests, you can leave them in the comments section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next Bible Quick, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off for now and saying, I'm going to be praying for you that you'll be well and that you'll be blessed. And that's 1, 2, thumbs up for you.